Everyone, welcome to KU classes, and in this video I am going to explain you Menka Gandhi versus Union of India. This case is the most important judgment in Indian constitutional law which completely changed the meaning of Article 21, which is right to life and personal liberty. With that, it ended the restrictive interpretation given in earlier in AK Gopalan case. Fact of the case is, as you all aware, Menka Gandhi, she was daughter-in-law of Indira Gandhi and she was a journalist also. She issued her passport under the Passport Act 1967, and on 2nd of July 1977, the government of India sent a letter to Menka Gandhi saying her passport is impounded. And when Menka Gandhi asked the reason, what was the reason for taking her passport, then government didn't give any reason. That's why Menka Gandhi filed a writ petition under Article 32 of Indian Constitution claiming violation of personal liberty. Now the issue came before the court. The first one is right to travel abroad is a part of personal liberty? Does procedure established by law require fair, just and reasonable process? Section 10, Clause 3, Clause C satisfy 14, 19 and 21. Is natural justice included in Article 21? These are the issues which came before the Supreme Court. Now judgment came. It was a 7-bench judge and the majority of the judgment was given by Justice Bhagwati. Supreme Court first said that personal liberty is very wide. It means that right to travel abroad is a part of personal liberty and it includes everything that makes life meaningful. For example, Article 21 includes right to travel abroad, right to choose your own partner, right to privacy, and many more. Court held that procedure must be fair, just and reasonable. It means that court overruled the narrow view which was given in AK Gopalan case. It means procedure established by law must be fair, just and reasonable, and it cannot be arbitrary, oppressive or fanciful in nature. And court held that Article 14, 19 and 21 forms a golden triangle. It means a law affecting life or liberty must satisfy these 3 articles, and that is why these articles form a golden triangle, and these 3 articles are very dependent on each other and should read togetherly. Then court held that natural justice is a part of Article 21. It means right to be heard, right to reason, right against arbitrary actions. All these automatically comes under Article 21. Court held that Passport Act is constitutional but must satisfy fairly. It means that Passport Act of Section 10 Clause 3 Clause C is valid, but it must be applied fairly and government must give reason for impounding the passport unless not giving reason is necessary for public interest. Then court held that passport was correctly impounded but should give fair opportunity to Menka Gandhi for hearing. And under this case, some doctrines were given by Supreme Court. First was due process of law. Under Article 21, procedure established by law amount to due process of law. It means one can challenge both substantive and procedural law. Then no arbitrary state action permits Article 14. It means if state do any arbitrary actions, then it will violate Article 14, which is right to equality. Interdependence of fundamental rights means all the fundamental rights are very dependent to each other. One cannot read it separately. At last, court interpreted Article 21 for the future rights. Court interpreted right to life and personal liberty. Court held that right to life and personal liberty is very wide in nature and should include all the basis for a meaningful life but not a existence of mere animal, and as a result court overruled whatever the narrow interpretation given in AK Gopalan case, and replaced any procedure with fair procedure. That's it for today. If you want me to explain the fundamental rights, then please comment yes.